Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi! Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam and join all the fun. If you're already a part of the fam, go ahead and hit that notification button so you can join the notification game. I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to you guys in a while, so I'm gonna do that today. So today I'm doing a little product review, and I'm kind of really excited because I met this brand, company, person at BeautyCon New York, and I love this idea for this product. I'm just gonna get right into the video, okay? Okay, so PantyFresh is basically panties on the go. It's every girl's best friend. So this is what it looks like. And in every little box, it comes with a panty, a liner, a wipe, and a wash me bag. It fits in the palm of my hand. It's so small. So I've already opened up that box. This is the wash me bag. And in the wash me bag comes a wipe, a liner, and then of course panties. So I already wore one of the panties, you know, because I don't want to tell you guys about a product that I haven't used. So I have worn one of the panties, and they're really high quality. They're not like paper. You would expect them to be like paper panties since they're like so thin and they fit in that tiny little box, but they're not paper panties. They're like seamless panties, and I love those. So the panties come in two different styles, either the briefs or thongs, and they come in 3 colors, white, black, or nude. I opted for the black thong because that goes under whatever, it doesn't matter, anytime, any day. And then I also have it's in my purse. I have the briefs in my purse right now. So everything was really cutely packaged. I wish I had this when I was younger, because this would have came in handy a few times in my life, actually. But this is like really good for unplanned, unexpected things that are just like out of our control. Every girl who is entering womanhood or who has already entered womanhood definitely needs something like this, and they come in sizes small to extra large. So the smallest size would be like a 0, and extra large, the biggest size is 22. So I think this is like a really great product because you can throw it in your gym bag, you can throw it in your clutch, you can throw it in your backpack, you can throw it in your purse, workout bag, sleepover bag, carry-on bag. Like, just imagine all the situations you could possibly be in where you need a new fresh set of panties. Like, you got your period unexpectedly, or you thought your period was over and it's not. I hate when that happens. Mother Nature be testing my gangster sometimes. She be testing me, but it's alright. PantyFresh got my back, okay? Why? Why you like to test my gangster, Mother Nature? You're on a flight, and it's a long flight, and you just feel sweaty and sticky and gross. Or you're on a flight, you made it to your destination, and the airline company lost your luggage, and all your panties are in there. You're going to the gym, and you have to go straight to work. You could just change into your panties real fast. It could be a good Christmas gift too if you want to do like a whole like goodie basket of like girl essentials, like lotions and body sprays, body butters. Throw in the little, I still have it in my makeup bag. Throw in one of these too, because every girl can use them. I know I could have used them. You like bought a really cute, or you wearing like a really cute outfit and you didn't check the back of your outfit already before you left the house and you have panty lines, you could just switch into your seamless panties instead, and then, you know, you don't have to buy a new pair of panties to change your outfit. You just got a cute little on-the-go travel size panty pack. Can I call it a panty pack? It's your best friend girl pack. And honestly, I think this would make like a really cute gift, like for honestly, any woman would be very appreciative to have this. Like, I know I would be, because this just fits into your purse, and it's like, I have my makeup bag right here, right? I keep dropping stuff. I'm such a klutz. My makeup bag. It's so small, and I love small purses. So the fact that this can fit into my small size purse and I don't have to worry about it, bless them. Bless PantyFresh, because I don't want to have to choose between carrying a small purse and my lady essentials, you know? So right now they are running a promotion, so if you use the code BeautyConNY, you get 2 for $20, so it's $10 each for each panty. But I say each like 4 times. And then also when you go on Instagram and you hashtag PantyFresh Gives Back, they donate $1 to autism research and awareness. So, you know, they're a company that does have values and morals, and I'm gonna give this product a big 2 thumbs up, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop their Instagram and their website down in my description box below. When you do purchase, go ahead and tag them on Instagram, show them that you bought it, and make sure you hashtag PantyFresh Gives Back so you can donate to autism awareness. Okay, well that's it on my review for PantyFresh. I already told you guys I support it. I like this product. If you like this video and you support me, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Ooh, right? If you didn't get to at the beginning of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam. If you're part of the fam, you know what to do. Hit the notification button so you can join the notification gang. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Love you. Mwah. Bye.